Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 26th to 30th January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, 1.75% negative move, 155.639 was the closing on Friday. So here we can see a good bearish momentum in this chart. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a big upper wick. So currently stochastic RSI is also around 71.55 level, which is indicating as a slight negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So as you can see, some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So we don't need to mark any new levels. These are some levels which we have marked during a previous week analysis. So let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 155.639 is the closing. Here the direct support is 155.438. Here the direct resistance is 155.700. After direct support, there is a support of 155.161 and then 154.843. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 155.961 and then 156.312. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from the platform. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive momentum in this end, that is 155.700 to 155.961. If you are going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 155.438 gets breached and a 1 day or a 4 hour candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till 155.161, even 154.843 if this level gets breached. Overall, my expectation is a bit slight positive. I'm expecting a positive closing for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.